mag-discuss lang po ta. Okay. So horizontal curves. So first, we have simple curves. So simple curves are just the geometry of the horizontal road. It is the arc length of the circle represented by road. Okay, so sa kay wa man di ko naka-connect sa hong pen. Tayo sa Okay, so simple curves. So there are two straight roads, kani siya. Okay, that one and this one. So they will be connected by a curve. Then this one is a sector of a circle. So muna siya. So we have the elements of the simple curve. So PC, point of curvature, this point dire. Then PT, point of tangency, kani nga point dire. PI, point of intersection, kani itong PI. Then PC to PI, PC to PI, this line, PC to PI, that is our backward tangent. Kaniha, kaning curve na to, from our curve, we have this tangent line. This is our backward tangent. Then PI to PT, this line, tangent to the curve, that is our forward tangent. RP, our radius point, okay, that is our radius point of our sector or our circle. Then radius of the curve, R, radius. I is the angle of intersection, kaning angle of intersection. Now, this angle, property, this is also the same angle. Okay, property na siya of circle, then intersect, tangent lines. So, kung asa na sila nag-intersect, this angle is. So, balik na ta sa atong mga trigonometry. Yan na. Then T, tangent distance. Okay. So, kani nga distance from PI to PT, the same with PI to PC or PC to PI. That is the same distance. Kay pareha na sila. Tangent of at any point of the curve ni magtagbo na sila, that is the same distance. So kani T, this is also T, tangent distance. Long chord, our long chord is kani straight line from PC to PT. That is our long chord. LC is length of curve. So kanang curve from PC to PT. So that is our curve, that is LC. E, external distance kani from the curve to PI. Na i-zoom na later. Or you can use your material. From the curve to PI, that is external distance. M, middle ordinate. This one from our long chord to the curve. Kani kana sila. Okay. So mao na to ang element of the curve. So you familiarize them or you memorize the parts or the elements of the curves. Okay, magamit na nato. Okay? So pwede mabali ang PC and PT. So diri imong PC, diri imong PT. So pwede ra na siya mabaliktad. Okay, but for it to be easier, i-orient lang nato ang atong start sa curve horizontal para easier siya. Then kadong diri, that will be our PT or our point of tangency. So from our curve, we can see triangles. So we can use these triangles. So first triangle nga makita nato sa atong curve is this triangle kanang orange. Okay, so that triangle, we have our PC at this corner. It's PC, then here PI and RP. Okay, so this side, that is the radius, and then this side is the tangent distance. This side, ang hypotenuse sa atong triangle, this is right angle dire, since this is radius, unya tangent line sa radius, so this is 90 degrees. This distance atong hypotenuse sa triangle, that is radius plus E. Na, radius man ni kani and plus external distance. So using the triangle, we can derive formulas, or pwede ra og hinumduman lang ninyo ang triangle, pwede nag sukatowa nga na. So pwede ra di ninyo inumduman ni nga mga formula, just the triangle. So tangent of I over 2, this angle will become I over 2 from our I. Then tangent of I over 2 is T over R. So T is equals to R tangent of I over 2. Cosine of I over 2 is equals to radius over radius plus external distance. So external distance is equals to R times the secant of I over 2 minus 1. So that is our first triangle na makita sa curves that we can use. Another triangle, kani nga triangle, kani that one, kani siya. So this side, that is the radius R, then this side, that is L over 2, or the long chord divided by 2. Then this side is R minus M, our radius, minus the middle ordinate. Okay, so I over 2 gyapon ning angle. And then this is 90 degrees dire. Kana that will be 90 degrees. So sine of I over 2 is equals to L over 2 over R. And cosine of I over 2 is R minus M over R. So we have formula for the long chord, 2R sine of I over 2. And middle ordinate is R times 1 minus cosine of I over 2. So no need to memorize the formula if kani okay na siya sukatowa. Okay, so mao to siya ang mga triangles from the simple curve. Okay, then radius of a simple curve. So we have arc basis, 20-meter arc and 100 feet arc. So this is our arc. So kaning 20 meters is basis ana is the stationing here in the Philippines is 20 meter per station. So we have this formula lang na S is equals to R theta times pi over 180. So R is 3,600 over pi d. Theta na to is this angle d. So that is in meters. Then chord basis of 20-meter chord or 100 feet chord. So sine of d over 2, kani gihap siya. This is 20 meters, so half is 10. Na, that triangle. Sine of d over 2 is equals to 10 over r. And then, so r is 10 over sine of d over 2. So still in meters. So a short explanation of the degree of the circular curve. So the rate of curvature of circular curves can be designated either by the radius, the 1,500 meter curve or 1,000 feet curve, or by their degree of curve. So there are two different designation for degree of curve, the arc definition and the chord definition. both of which are defined using the English system of units. By the arc definition, degree of curve is the central angle subtended by a circular arc of 100 feet. Okay? And this definition is preferred for highway work. By the chord definition, degree of curve is the angle at the center of a circular arc subtended by a chord of 100 feet. So this figure. This definition is convenient for very gentle curves and hence is preferred for railroads. The formulas relating radius r and degree d of curves for both definitions are shown next to the illustrations. So kana illustration above. Okay. So SI and English units na siya. The 20 and the 100. Okay. We'll use the 20 meters. Next, we have deflection angle, I. So it is the angle between the tangent through PC and the chord through PC. So kani, zoom na to. So the tangent through PC, this line, tangent through PC, and the chord through PC. So at any point of the curve, if naka-point diha, any point of the curve, then connect na nimo sa PC. So that will be a curve through PC. The angle between them, that is our deflection angle I. Okay, so kana any point, so lahi na po nga point, this is still I, our deflection angle. So if this is I, this angle will be 2I. Okay, so if this is I, whatever the value is, this is 2I. So kuan lang ni siya. Central angle to inscribed angle. So, mga tangent. So if ang atong point is na sa PT, so this chord, this is the long chord. Then this will be I over 2. Since ang angle nato dire, this is I. This is I over 2. Our internal angle or angle of intersection. So rule in stationing. So station PC, this part, station PC, is equals to station PI minus the tangent distance or T. Minus the tangent distance, and then station Q, that is any point sa curve, is equals to station PC plus S, the distance, curve distance from PC to any point Q sa curve. Then station PT is equals to station PC plus our length of curve. So that is the rule in stationing. Magsugod ta sa PI, then going to PC, and then moagi ta sa curve padong PT. So example problem. So given PI at 1900s plus 87, I is 42 degrees 14 minutes, R is 900. Compute for the following: the tangent distance, external distance, middle ordinate, long chord, length of arc, stationing of PC, and stationing of PT. So we have our simple curve. So using the triangle, kanina triangle, that was the first triangle nga introduced. So using this triangle, we can solve for the tangent distance and the external distance. Okay, so ano yung triangle? Tangent of I over 2, where ato ang I is the 42 degrees 14 minutes. So T is over equals to T over R. So also given radius. So T is 900 tangent of 42 degrees 14 minutes over 2. So our tangent distance is 347.582. Then cosine of I over 2 is equals to R over R plus E. So E is 900 over cosine of 42 degrees 14 minutes over 2 minus 900. So we can solve for the external distance, 64.79. So part C and D, we can solve for middle ordinate and long chord using this triangle. So katong dili nga triangle. Okay, using that, this triangle, so cosine of I over 2 is equals to R minus M over R. So M is 900 minus 900 cosine of 42 degrees for 10 minutes over 2. So our middle ordinate is 60.44. Then for the long chord, sine of I over 2 is equals to L over 2 over R. So our long chord is 900 sine of 42 degrees 14 minutes over 2 times 2. So long chord is 648.48. Next, for part E, length of arc. So length of arc or length of curve is equals to R times theta in radian. So R is 900, then theta, our angle here is 42 degrees 14 minutes. So times pi over 180. So length of curve or length of arc is 663.4. Part F, stationing of PC. So using the rules in stationing, station PC is equals to station PI minus T. So station PC given station PI 1900s plus 87 minus T 347.583. So that is equals to 1600s 39.417. So if stationing ang gipangayo, stationing, don't forget to convert that into this format, stationing a format. So station PC is equals to 16 plus 39.417. For station of PT, so station PT is equals to station PC plus the length of curve. So station PT is 1600s 39.417 plus 663.4. So it is 2302.82. Don't forget to convert that to stationing format. Station PT is equals to 23 plus 02.82. So kung pila units ana diri sa plus sa given, that is the same units diri. Decimal na lang na siya, decimal. So the same. If tulo na, so tulo pod ang ato ang units diri. Okay? So let's proceed to another example of simple curve. So the offset distances of 2 points A and B of a simple curve are 3 meters and 7 meters respectively. The chord length from PC to A is 40 meters. What is the radius of the curve in meters? What is the chord length from PC to B in meters? And what is the length of the curve from PC to B in meters? So offset distance of 2 points A and B. Okay, we have our simple curve. Okay, so point A somewhere here and point B somewhere here. Their offset distance are 3 meters and 7 meters. So kani, that is from point A to the tangent tangent to PC, 3 meters. And then from B to the tangent to PC, 7 meters. So let's call this Y and then this X. Then chord length from PC to A. From PC to A, this is our chord. It is 40 meters. Then let's call this side or line W for this triangle. So this triangle, Monisia. Then another triangle, kani, or let's call this one C, and then Monisia. Kani a triangle. So this is unknown. This is our length of chord, from PC to B. So let's call that L2. And then length of curve from PC to B. So kani curve from PC to B. So to solve for that, we need this angle. Let's call that angle theta. Okay, so using this triangle, we can solve for W. So 40 squared is equals to W squared plus 3 squared. So W is 39.887 meters. Then R squared is, okay, so R squared will be equals to 39.887 squared plus R minus 3 squared. So kanina pod nga triangle. Okay. So since we have W and we can solve for R. So R is 266.67 meters. Radius. Then, okay, so we can move to this triangle. Kanya triangle. Let's call this side Z. This is radius. Kanya side. And this is radius minus 7. Ano. So using the triangle, so we have the radius 266.667 squared equals to the radius minus 7 squared. So 200. Oh, wait, sakay. Nalow ba to? Kasi man to ako. Okay. So this side, 266.667 minus 7 squared plus z squared. We can solve for z, 60.699 meters. Okay. Then we can move to this triangle. So the length of chord 2 is square root of 7 squared plus 60.99 squared. So from this triangle, our L2 or the long chord of PC to B is 61.101 meters. Okay. So next, we need the angle to solve for the curve, the length of the curve. We need the angle and the radius. We have the radius, so ang angle lang atong pangitawon una. Using this triangle, we can solve for the angle theta. So angle theta is arc sine of z over r. So it is 13.157 degrees. So our length of curve, 266.667 times the angle 13.157 degrees. So convert to radian, so pi over 180. So our length of curve from PC to B is 61.235 meters. Okay? So triangles lang ang kailangan. And also sector. For 1 second. Okay. So proceed na ta. Let's move to compound curves. So compound curves are combination of two or more simple curves. So there is one simple curve, this one, okay, and then another simple curve, this one. So there is a need for compound curves if there are obstruction. So maybe somewhere there are buildings or trees, maybe rocks. So that's why if ipadayon ang curve, maigo siya. So there is a need for another connected niya nga simple curve. So we have the elements. So still the same, PC, and then point of curvature. So that's where the curve start. And then PT, point of tangency. So that's where our curve end. So a tangent line through PC and a tangent line through PT. So this is our PI, point of intersection. So we have our radius for our first curve and radius for the second curve. Then a tangent common to the two curves, kani common, we call this TC, that is the length of the common tangent. So for the first curve, this is T1, tangent distance of the first curve, and this is also T1, taman sa PCC, that is the point of compound curvature. Okay, so T1, this is also T1, and then for the second curve, we'll call this T2, tangent distance of the second curve. This is also T2. So our length of common tangent TC, that is T1 plus T2. Then this angle, that is I1. So that is our angle of intersection for the first curve. It's I1. So this is the same angle, I1. Then this will be our I2, angle of intersection for the second curve. This is the same I2, same angle. So we have a triangle dire. Let's call this angle theta. Then this angle, that will be our angle of intersection for the whole curve. That is I1 plus I2. So we have our length of curve 1. We will also have our chord here for first curve, that is our L1 or long chord 1. Then we have our length of curve 2, our LC2. We will also have here our long chord 2, L2. Then this from PC to PT will be our long chord for the whole curvature. Okay, so next we will find triangles. We will find triangles from the compound curves. First triangle, this one. So we have our point of intersection sa first curve, PI1, point of intersection sa second curve, PI2, then our PI, this side, let's call this side X, and this side, let's call that Y. So this is our side of the length of common tangent, PC, that is T1 plus T2. Another triangle that we can find is this triangle. Okay. So this triangle, we have our PI, dire, then our PC, point of curvature, and our point of tangency, PT. So this side is T1 plus X, or the length of tangent 1 of the first curve plus X. And then this side is T2 plus Y, our length of tangent 2 plus Y. And this side is our long chord, L. Another triangle. So this triangle, let's call this angle alpha. Then we have our angle, side L, our long chord during a side. This is L1, or long chord 1, long chord of the first curve. Then this side is L2, long chord 2, long chord of the second curve. Angle alpha is 180 minus, this will be, this angle is I1 over 2, and this angle is I2 over 2. So angle alpha is 180 minus 1 half of I1 plus I2. Okay, so mauna siya. Tulo ka triangles that we can find sa compound curve, so we can use them. Okay, so proceed ta sa rule in stationing. So station PC is equals to station PI minus T1 plus X minus T1 plus X. Then station PCC is station PC plus length of curve 1. Then station PT is station PCC plus length of curve 2. The station PT. So same ra pod ganiha. So start at PI, backward ta padung PC, then moagi ta sa curve padung PT. Okay. So let's have an example for compound curves. So the long chord from PC to PT of a compound curve is 300 meters long, and the angle it makes with a longer and shorter tangent are 24 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. If the common tangent is parallel to the long chord, find the radius of the first curve and find the radius of the second curve. So our long chord from PC to PT, long chord is 300 meters. The angle it makes with the longer tangent, so let's just assume that this is our longer tangent. So that is 24 degrees. And then if this is our shorter tangent, assume lang na ha, if we are wrong, pwede na to balihon later. So this is 30 degrees, and if the common tangent is parallel to the long chord, this is our common tangent. If it is parallel to the long chord, then this angle is also 24. and this angle is also 30. Same dire. Same man eh. Then we have triangle here. Let's call this angle beta, and let's call this angle gamma. This angle alpha. Angle beta, so this is 24 over 2. Okay, tungod kay parallel na sila. This is 24 over 2, 12 degrees. Angle gamma is 30 over 2, 15 degrees. So angle alpha is 180 minus beta minus gamma. It is 153 degrees. Okay, so let's move. So using this triangle, we have angle alpha, angle beta, angle gamma, and one side the 300 meters. We can solve for the length of chord 1 and length of chord 2 using sine law. So L1 over sine gamma is equals to 300 over sine alpha. So L1 is 300 over sine of 153 degrees times sine of 15 degrees. So L1 is 171.03 meters. So we have our radius. We can solve for our radius since we have the length of the chord. So katong length of the chord, dire, we can create a triangle, half ana, half of this. So this will be L over 2, L1, the L1, half of L1. Then this is I over 2, this angle here. So R1, radius of the first curve, is equals to L1 over 2 over sine of I over 2. So it is 171.03 over 2 sine of 24 degrees over 2. So our radius of curve 1 is 411.30 meters. So for part B, so same process using sine law, L2 over sine beta is equals to 300 over sine alpha. So L2 is 300 over sine of 153 degrees times sine of 12 degrees. So our length of chord 2 is 137.39 meters. So dili na pud ta. We can create a triangle. So this is L2 over 2 and this is I2 over 2. So R2 is L2 over 2 over sine of I2 over 2. So it is 137.39 over 2 sine of 30 degrees over 2. So 265.42 meters. Okay. So another example. So the length of the common tangent of a compound curve is 321 meters. Given degree of curvature of the first curve, D1 is 2.5 degrees. Angle of intersection for the first curve is 36 degrees. Angle of intersection for the second curve is 62 degrees. Use the arc basis. Find the degree of the second curve. Find the stationing of PI if PT is station 12,000 plus 088. Then find the length of the long chord. So natay compound curve, we have our first curve and then our second curve. Length of the common tangent, so this is our TC. Length of common tangent, it is 321. and TC is T1 plus T2. Then angle of intersection for first curve 36, this is 36 degrees, and for the second curve this is 62 degrees. So find the degree of the second curve. So radius of first curve, so it is 3,600 degrees over pi d1. Na siya ganiha. Itong mga formulas kaniya. 3,600 over pi times 2.5 degree of the first curve. So it is 458.366 meters. Then T1, so T1 is r tangent of I1 over 2. So it is 458.366 tangent of 36 degrees over 2, 148.932 meters. Then we can use T2 is equals to TC minus T1. So 321 minus 148.932, 172.068 meters. Then find the radius of the second curve. T2 is R2 tangent of I2 over 2. Radius of the second curve is 172.068 over tangent of 62 degrees over 2. So 286.369 meters. Then we can solve for the degree of the second curve. R2 is equals to 3,600 degrees over pi d2. So d2 is 3,600 degrees over pi times 286.369. So the degree of the second curve is 4 degrees. Okay, let's move to part B. So part B, using this triangle, we have this triangle ikandere. We have an angle 36 and 62. So we can look for this angle. This is 82 degrees. This side is 321 given. Then we call this side X and this is Y. So we can use sine law. We can solve for long chord 1, LC, length of curve 1. We have the radius and the angle. Na-solve na ang radius kaniha given ang ilang angle. So the length of curve is 458.335 times 36 degrees times pi over 180, so 288 meters. Length of curve 2, radius niya 286.369 times angle 62 degrees times pi over 180, so 309.881 meters. So using this triangle to solve for x and y, okay, kailangan na to solve for the stationing. So x over sine of 62 is equals to 321 over sine of 82 degrees. So x is 286.212 meters. Then y over sine of 36 degrees is equals to 321 over sine of 82 degrees. So y is 190.533 meters. So solve for stationing of PI. So station PT is equals to station PI minus x plus T1, then plus length of curve 1 plus length of curve 2. Diba? Station PT, that is equals to from station PI backward ta, so minus x plus T1, then forward ta padong PT through the curve, plus length of curve 1 plus length of curve 2. So muna siya. So we have station PT given 12,000 plus 88. equals to station PI, munang gipangita, minus x, we have solved for x, and the values of tangent distance of the first curve, length of first curve, and the length of second curve. So 286.212 plus 148.932 plus 288 plus 309.881. So station PI is 11,925.26. Don't forget to convert that to this format for stationing. 11 plus 925.26. So same gyapon na tulo ka digit. Okay, tulo ka digit. For part C, using this triangle, gikan ani, from this triangle, kana siya. This side, we can solve that. That is t1 plus x. Then this side, we can solve that. That is t2 plus y. Then this side is the long chord. So we have this angle. That is angle 82 degrees. So two sides and one angle between them, we can use cosine law. L squared is 435.144 squared plus 362.601 squared minus 2 times 435.144 times 362.601 cosine of 82 degrees. Length of chord is 526.224 meters. Kana siya using the calculus niya. Okay. Okay. Okay, fellows, so we can proceed to reverse curves.
Oh my god.
Okay, so reverse curves na ta. So reverse curves, we have our first curve, kani. Then at this point, this is the point of reverse curvature. Our curve, bali na siya, paingana na siya. So that is our second curve. So, mo gyapon, there are two simple curves. Then, PC to PT, muna tong PC to PT. This is our first curve. So we have our length of first curve. Then T1, length of our tangent distance of the first curve. Then T2, tangent distance of the second curve. Length of curve 2, LC2. Then radius 1 for the first curve. This is our angle I1. Then R2 for the second curve, radius. Then this angle will be our I2. So length of common tangent, this is PI1, point of intersection for first curve. This is PI2, point of intersection for second curve. So this angle, this is their common tangent for the two curves. Length of common tangent is TC, that is equals to T1 plus T2. So rule in stationing, so station PC is equals to station PI1 minus T1. Then station PRC, dire, is station PC plus length of curve 1. Station of PI2, this point, station that is station of PRC plus T2. And station of PT, dire, is station of PRC plus length of curve 2. So same gyapon sa PI ta, magsugod, then backward pa dong PC, then moagi ta sa curve. Okay, so we can go to PI2 and then agi sa curve pa dong PT. Okay, then the tangents, our first tangent sa first curve, this one, extend na nato siya. Then, our second tangent sa second curve, kani, extend na to na siya. Okay. So, they will meet, after we extend them, they will meet at the point, somewhere dire. So, that will be our PI, point of intersection sa duha gyud ka curve. This angle, that is our I, our angle of intersection, that is I1 minus I2. Okay. So, depende ni sa curve ha. Pwede po og nana dire somewhere ang ilahang point of intersection. Depende na sa curve. Ina. So, notice, balik ta sa compound curve. Diba? Ingani siya. The first curve and then the second curve nga tangent, mag-meet na siya somewhere dire. That will be our PI. For the reverse curve, mag-ingani yung forma. Okay. So, there are also parallel tangents. So, parallel tangents, so we have here our tangent through PC for the first curve. This is our T1. Then, this is our tangent for the second curve, our T2. Then, this is our common tangent. So, our first tangent, first curve, and then our second tangent, tangent through PT, and tangent through PC, they are parallel. So, if ingani ang curve, we can find triangles. So, we can use triangle. So, this triangle, we call this D. That is the distance of the two tangents, the two parallel tangents. So this triangle, this side is D. This is our side TC. That is T1 plus T2. That is the length of the common tangent. Then this angle, that angle is I. This is the same I, same po na nga I. Okay, but different na ilang radius. They can have the different radius. Okay, so another triangle, kani, that this side is our long chord from PC to PT. That is our long chord. This side is still D, distance between the parallel tangents. Now this angle is I over 2. Okay. So, mo na duha ka triangle sa parallel tangents. So, let's have an example for the parallel tangents. So, in a railroad layout, the center lines of two parallel lines are connected with a reverse curve of unequal radii. The central angle of the first curve is 16 degrees. This is our first curve. Central angle ano niya is 16 degrees. So this is 16 degrees. And the distance between the parallel tracks is 27.6 meters. So itong duha ka parallel na to, that is 27.6 meters. Stationing of PC is 15 plus 240, and the radius of the second curve is 290. So radius of the second curve is 290 meters. So in parallel curves, again, same ni silang angle. So compute the length of the common tangent. So compute na to ni. What is the stationing of PRC, this point, and what is the stationing of PT? So to compute for the length of the common tangent, we can use this triangle. So kanina itong gipangita, TC. This is 27.6 meters. This angle is same I, 16 degrees. So sine of 16 degrees is equals to 27.6 over length of the common tangent TC. So TC is 27.6 over sine 16 degrees. So TC is 100.132 meters. Okay. So let's move to part B and C for the stationing. So to solve for the stationing, to find the stationing, we need the distances of the tangents, T1 and T2. Okay, so we also need the length of the curves, length of curve 1, LC1, and length of curve 2, LC2. So to solve for that, so we have here T2. We can solve for tangent 2 since we already know the radius and the angle. So T2 is R2 tangent of I2 over 2. T2 is 290 tangent of 16 degrees over 2. T2 is 40.757 meters. Then T1, so we can use the TC is equals to T1 plus T2. T1 is 100.132 minus 40.757. T1 is 59.375 meters. Then we can solve for the radius of the first curve. Since we have the length of the first tangent, then we also have the angle there. So we can solve for the radius using this triangle. So R1 is T1 over tangent of I1 over 2. R1 is 59.375 over tangent of 16 degrees over 2. R1 is 422.475 meters. So we have the radius and the angles. We can solve for the length of curves. So length of curve 1, 422.475, that is the radius, times 16 degrees times pi over 180. So 117.97 meters ang length of the curve first curve. Length of the second curve, 290, iyang radius, times 16 degrees times pi over 180. The length of the curve is 80.983 meters. So now we can proceed sa stationing. Station PRC is given ang station of PC. Station of PC. So we have station PC, that is 15,000 plus 240. So plus the length of the first curve, padong PRC. So that is 15,357.977 meters. So station PRC, again, don't forget to convert that sa stationing format. Station PRC is 15 plus 357.977. Then station PT. Station PT is station PRC plus the length of the second curve. So station PT is 15,438.96 meters. So station PT is 15 plus 438.96. So, proceed ta sa last example. So, our last example, another example for the reverse curves. So, two tangents intersecting at an angle of 46 degrees 40 minutes at pi are to be connected by a reverse curve. The tangent distance from pi to pt of the reverse curve is 48.6 meters. And from pi to pc is 360.43 meters. The radius of the curve through the PC is 240 meters. Station of pi is 25 plus 863.2. So what is the radius of the curve through PT? So muna ito ang curve. So two tangents. We have tangent through PC, this line, and tangent through PT, kani nga line. So they will meet at PI. Mao na itong PI for this curve. So the angle, our intersecting angle is 46 degrees 40 minutes. This angle, so that is the same angle dire. 46 degrees 40 minutes. To be connected by a reverse curve. So muna itong reverse curve. Siya. Reverse curve. The tangents from PT, this distance. May nga distance diri from PI to PT. This is our PT diri nga point. This is PI. From PI to PT, that is 4.6 meters. And from PI to PC, kani nga distance from PI to PC, kani. That is 360.53 meters. The radius of the curve through the PC, radius of this curve, radius of that curve, 240 meters. So the station is 5 plus 863.2. So what is the radius of the curve PT? Okay, i-zoom sa na to ang triangle. Okay, follow ha. So, this is our radius, kaninga line, diba? Then this line is tangent. Tangent sa atong curve. So, extend that, kadong PI, kana. Then, kaninga tangent sa atong PT, tangent to PT, ito siya. Okay, extend na to siya. Extend. Then, kanipod, atong radius, extend to siya. They will meet at some point, dire. Okay, they will meet. This is 90 degrees. Since this is tangent sa atong curve, then radius na to, this is 90 degrees. So, this angle, that is the angle of the PI, 46 degrees 40 minutes. This is 90 degrees, so we can solve for this angle. That is 43 degrees 20 minutes. Then, we know this, kaning big triangle na to, we know this side from PC to PI, that is 360.43. We know one side, we know all the angle of the big triangle, so we can solve for kani nga side o kani. So this side, kani nga side, that is 360.43 tangent of 46 degrees 40 minutes. That is 382.033. So kanang whole length ana. So 382.033 minus 240 kanira nga line radius taman dire 240 minus 240. So this side, this side is 142.033. Then, kaniya tong hypotenuse for the big right triangle, that is 360.43 over cosine of 46 degrees 40 minutes. That is 525.223. Then, this distance from PT, kaninga point diri, from PT taman sa atong gi-extend nga line padung diri nga point, that is 525.223 minus kaning gamay diri nga distance 48.6 for minus 48.6. So kani nga line, kani nga tangent that was our T2, kani taman diri, that is our T2. So this line or this side kani diri taman ra diri, that is 476.623 minus T2. Kani 476 ha, that is 525.223 minus 48.6. So minus T2 pag yun, that is kaniya side. So we can create duha ka triangle dire. So radius di ba na radius of the second curve, then this is radius of the first curve. Then this is tangent to T2. This is 90 degrees. 90 degrees na sila kay tangent man eh. So this side, we know this is the radius of the first curve, 240. This 240. This is T2. This side, let's call this side X. Na siya nakabutang nga value. Okay, but this is still unknown. That is side X. Then, this side, again, this is 476.623 minus T2. So, muna siya. Let's call this angle, kaning sa blue ra nga triangle, kanang angle beta. Then kani sa orange nga triangle, let's call that angle alpha. Okay. So kani nga angle kana silang duha, i-add na nimo, that is our I2. Okay, that is the angle of intersection for the second curve. That is our I2. Okay, so kana nga mga triangles. Okay, using that, okay, balik ta dire. So using the kaning blue nga triangle, this is a right triangle. So x, kaning nga side, x squared is equals to T2 squared plus 240 squared. Diba? From this triangle, kaning blue. Then, from this triangle, kaning orange, we know this angle. We know this side, kaning side. Then, we also, this side, we call that 476.623 minus T2. Muna tawag na to aning side. So, this side, let's call that side x gihapon. So we can use cosine law for this triangle, kaning orange. So two sides and then angle between them is known. So x squared is equals to kaning side kani dire. This side is 276.623 minus T2 squared plus this side, that is 142.033 squared minus 2 times 476.623 minus T2 times 142.033 times cosine of the angle between them, 43 degrees 20 minutes. So using these two equations, we can solve for T2. So T2 is 122.233 meters. Okay. So we can also solve for x from these two equations. So muna siya ang x, 269.334. So this side is 354.39. Okay. So, to solve for the radius of the second curve, we need the internal or the angle I2. So we need the I2. And beta, so kani nga angle dire sa blue, beta is arctangent of 240 over T2. So it is 63.01 degrees. Alpha, this angle diri sa orange nga triangle, using cosine law, we can solve for that. So arc cosine of 269.334 squared plus 354.39 squared minus 142.033 squared over 2 times 269.334 times 354.39. Angle alpha is 21.216 degrees. I2 is angle alpha plus beta. So it is 84.226 degrees. So now we have our T2 and the angle. So we can solve for the radius to PT using this triangle. We have T2 and we have the angle there. So R2 is T2 over tangent of I2 over 2. So 122.233 over tangent of 84.226 degrees over 2. So our radius of the curve through PT or the second curve is 135.22 meters. Okay, so you can resolve the examples and familiarize the curves. So that ends our lesson for the simple curves, the compound curves, and the reverse curves. So next week naman punta sa spiral easement curves. Okay, so you have your materials sa Google Classroom. You can review them. Kuande ka ng balhin sa ta sa ay na lang ko iingon sa Mat 5. So have you checked the activity sa Mat 5 activity 2? So you will notice na activity